Valentine's Day is on its way, right guys? And if you have a spicy evening planned with your favorite Foxy Dudette and you're hoping for some action, but your underwear looks like this, yeah, it's not gonna go so well. But lucky for you, I got your back. I've got my latest Shinesty haul. I'm gonna show you guys some special Valentine's prints that will impress her, but you'll like them too, so stay tuned. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris. I thank you for being here. If you're into fashion, style, we're going to talk about underwear today, but we talk about a wide variety of topics, including physical media. We talk about entertainment, pop culture, a whole bunch of things. This is the place to be. Be sure to drop a like and subscribe. We're a small channel trying to grow, and every like, every sub, every comment really helps us to grow and helps us to get our message out there. So please join us. Now, let's talk about this latest Shinesty haul I've got for you. So the style that we're going to be talking about today is Shinesty's long boxer. The long boxers have an 8.5-inch inseam compared to their boxers, or their normal boxers, 6-inch inseam. Now for comparison, these are their normal boxers. This print is called the Bloom with a View, and actually these would be good for Valentine's Day as well. If you can see the print here, I've showed you guys these before. It's got naughty rose petal ladies doing naughty things, right? So that's the normal one. It's got 6.5-inch inseam. This is the one that is called the Candy Crush. I'm going to give you guys a close-up here in a little bit, but I just want to show you the length right now. As you can see, 8.5-inch. It's a little bit longer, but putting it up side by side, you can see. So you can see that it's just a little bit longer, about 2.5 inches longer. So you guys might be wondering why somebody would need a longer inseam for their boxers. Well, if you remember the last video I did for Shinesty, I talked about their trunks and how that was my personal favorite style. Well, those have a shorter inseam of about 3.5 inches. Some guys don't like that. They want a longer inseam. So, especially if you're taller, having something that actually fits you. We know that taller guys sometimes have a hard time finding clothes. So that's another reason why these long boxers really work for some guys. All right, so let me show you guys the print of the Candy Crush. It's just too funny. I'm gonna move it around a little bit so you can read some of them. These are great, especially if the person you're wearing them for has a little bit of a sense of humor. But yeah, it's got some naughty stuff on there, some eggplants, some Pen 15, some boobs. It's great, and other than it being fun and the proper length, there are some benefits to the long boxers that I'm going to tell you guys about. So all the long boxers have a fly, okay? So the cow can escape the barn, if you know what I mean, if you need to. If you're a guy that likes a fly, it comes in all these pairs. It also has the normal pouch in here. Okay, so these are for your boys. Like I said, these are for your boys. It's got that Ball Hammock Pouch Technology that Shinesty is known for. It's going to keep you supported and make you look mas grande, like you're standing at attention, which is going to be great for Valentine's Day. A silky waistband that doesn't bunch up. They're tagless, just like all of Shinesty's underwear is. Micro modal fabric that is like super soft. It feels like you're not wearing anything at all, and light compression. So you're going to be supported. You're really not going to feel these that much. These are pretty awesome. So the legs won't ride up either, which is pretty cool considering that the micro modal is a very soft fabric. It's like very similar to like linen or silk, and it's amazing that they can get them to do this. But I really think you guys will appreciate the long leg boxer, and especially the Candy Crush print. Again, like, look at this. It's just fun. Okay, so this next pair, if you're a little bit more conservative or you're Foxy Dudettes and you don't want candy messages of boobs and Pen 15 and Bush on your underwear, I recommend the Cherub. The Cherub is very cool. I like this. It's red and black. It's just hearts. And again, super appropriate for Valentine's Day. We'll give you a close-up of the print. Yeah, it's perfectly acceptable. Same benefits as the other one. You know, there's the Ball Hammock, the moisture wicking technology, the Model Cotton, super soft, the waistband that's not going to bunch up on you, the micro compression. So, you know, none of this is going to ride up or fold. It's going to stay where it's supposed to, and you really can't go wrong with that. And again, the print is perfect for Valentine's Day. A little bit of hearts, a little bit of red. It's a winner. So next we have got the Clear Skies. This is just a solid blue pair. I always recommend to you guys to have solid colored underwear in your arsenal or underwear drawer, whichever you want to call it. Patterns and prints, super fun ones especially, are very cool. Like, I love the Candy Crush, but sometimes, you know, the occasion calls, you need solid underwear. You know, like, sometimes patterns and prints don't cut it. And that's the great thing about Shinesty, is that while they have super cool, fun patterns and prints, they also have your basics and your solid colors. And I mean, this is a very nice shade of blue, you know, and especially for Valentine's Day, if blue is her favorite color and you're rocking this, you know, things could happen. But it's cool. They, you know, it's got the same benefits as the other pairs. It's got, you know, the 8.5-inch inseam, moisture wicking, the silky waistband. It's tagless. You really can't go wrong with these. So I've got one more print to show you, but before I do, I want to tell you something extra special about these three that I just showed you. The Clear Skies, the Cherub, and the Candy Crush. What's cool about all three of these pairs is they come in women's styles too. Now you might be asking yourself, Chris, why are you telling me about that? Well, Valentine's Day is coming up. It'll be an amazing, super sexy, flirty gift if you got her a pair of matching panties. You get yourself some boxers, get her a matching pair. And that's what's great about Shinesty, is that they have couples sets where you can both pick out matching underwear, and it's just kind of fun, you know. Foxy Dudettes, Sarah and I did a review on their couple set not that long ago. You can see that video here. It's just amazing. It makes a great gift, guys. It shows that you're really thoughtful, and you know, you're kind of driving the point home of, you know, it's Valentine's Day. And the last pair is called the Peel Deal. It's got a banana on your junk. It's just fun, right? This is very similar to the pair that Foxy Dudettes, Sarah and I promoted when we did the couples one I was talking to you guys about a little while ago. And it's pretty cool. I'll show you the print. It's just, you know, a bunch of bananas. I don't know what they're alluding to, of course. But it's a lot of fun. Same benefits. It's got the Ball Hammock Pouch Technology. It's got the micro modal fabric, so it's super soft, right? And the waistband that doesn't bunch. It's still tagless, moisture wicking, all the same benefits. It's just fun. So there you have it. This is just fun. It makes me laugh. Okay guys, just want to give a huge thank you to Shinesty. Thanks for hooking us up and allowing us to show some of your stuff again. Guys, down in the description there is a discount code that'll save you 25% off your order, and it's perfect for Valentine's Day. Especially if you just need some new undies, or you want to do the couples combo set, which I highly recommend. It'll show you're thinking of her, and it's fun, it's flirty, it's sexy, it's cool. Be sure to pick a great pattern. There's tons to choose from, and you know, have a great Valentine's Day, if you know what I mean. And with that being said, please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, do all the social media things. Help me fight the YouTube algorithm. Ring the bell. Be be sure to check out the wellroundeddude.com. The website is really the hub of everything that we do here. We have a lot of great partners like Shinesty that have some great offers for you, and you can find those there. We have our Amazon storefront, you know, our influencer page, if you want to call it that, with some things I've curated I think will help you out, and just some fun stuff. And we have our own merch page where you can get like Well-Rounded Dude t-shirts, mugs, a whole bunch of stuff. And you can save a little bit of cash with the discount code DUDE15. So check it out. There's a bunch of fun stuff on there, guys. And with that, we will see you next time. Be sure to check out Shinesty. See you later. Peace.